In the previous modules, we discussed the three main land description systems and worked through several exam-style practice questions. Now let's review memory tools and common exam traps related to land descriptions. Understanding these shortcuts can help you quickly recognize the correct answer on the Arizona real estate exam. Let's begin with a quick review of the three land description systems. These systems are meets and bounds, rectangular survey system, and lot and block. A helpful exam strategy is to look for clues in the wording of the question. If the question describes directions, distances, or physical landmarks such as trees, rivers, or monuments, the correct answer is likely meets and bounds. If the question references principal meridians, baselines, townships, or sections, the correct answer is likely the rectangular survey system. If the question refers to lots, blocks, subdivisions, or plat maps, the correct answer is likely the lot and block system. Another concept that appears frequently on the exam is section size in the rectangular survey system. A township is 6 miles by 6 miles. Each township contains 36 sections. Each section is 1 mile by 1 mile, and each section contains 640 acres. Here is a helpful shortcut to remember. One section equals 640 acres. Half of a section equals 320 acres. A quarter section equals 160 acres. These acreage values often appear in real estate math questions on the exam. Another important term is monuments. Monuments are reference points used in meets and bounds descriptions. They can include natural landmarks such as rivers or large trees, or man-made markers such as stakes or survey markers. Finally, let's review the concept of a plat map. A plat map is a recorded map that shows how land has been divided into lots and blocks within a subdivision. When you see a legal description referencing a lot number, block number, and subdivision name, it is usually using the lot and block system. Here's an important exam strategy. When answering land description questions, first identify the type of information provided in the question. Are they describing directions and distances? Are they referencing townships and sections? Or are they referencing subdivision lots and blocks? Once you recognize the system being used, the correct answer becomes much easier to identify. Understanding land description systems will help you answer exam questions about property identification and legal boundaries. In the next section of Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series, we'll move into environmental issues, where we'll discuss environmental hazards and disclosures that affect real estate transactions. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.